Traders, top of the morning to everybody. Welcome to the Tradenet trading room. Welcome to a beautiful Tuesday. Hopefully everybody's doing great here. Shortened week this week of trading. Tuesday, July 2nd, second day of the month of July. Just getting things started after coming off of a great trading day yesterday. And what can we expect this week? Well, you've got a couple of things built in this week. You've got a half day of trading tomorrow. Markets will close at 1 right after lunch. And then Thursday is a full market holiday. So we have a shortened week this week. So we will get things rolling today. Yesterday was a great profitable day. That's perfect. And then today, as we get into the day today, going to be a little bit different trading here based on the futures, based on what we did yesterday. And here we come into a Tuesday here today, July the 2nd. What can you expect here? If you're never traded with us before, transparent trading each and every day, posting our trades, our P&L, and our results. We go live today in about 12 minutes, 15 seconds. Welcome to everybody on social media this morning. If you're joining us on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, on the outside looking in, you have a chance right now to come into this room and take part in our Independence Day sale. This is going on through July 4th, so just through Thursday. If you want to take part in this, we've got great discounts on our programs here. Our intro program, student, expert, and pro. Intro program, you could get into this room, trade on the same platform that both myself and Mayor and the rest of the team trades on each and every day, all of our analysts, for as little as $3.99, and be part of the room. So again, something to look forward to, something to take advantage of now through July the 4th. And that's coming up here just on Thursday. That's our Independence Day sale. Well, what a difference a day makes, as we typically say. Let's take a look back and then pull it forward here. Make sure everybody's on the same page. Take a look at the futures and how that's going to affect our trading day today. Let's start with yesterday, where we saw the Dow up green 117, S&P up 23, and the NASDAQ up 85. NASDAQ was up 1.06% yesterday. Real nice day for the NASDAQ. And today looks a little bit different. But again, yesterday, remember, we had as Mayor and I were leading you through the morning session, we had a nice move higher in the morning, pulled back, and we continued on higher for the day. So it was a great trading day, gave us the volatility that we needed. Today's a little bit different. When we look today at Europe, as we start off across the pond, German DAX down 5 points, FTSE in the UK up 37, and the CAC 40 in Paris is actually flat this morning, so unchanged. And then when you look at the Asian market in the overnight session, we saw the Nikkei up 24 points, Shanghai and China down 1 point, and the Hong Kong Hang Seng was the only market that really was on fire, so to speak, up 333 points, up 1.17%. So when we summarize that, we got 3 markets up, 2 markets down, 1 market a push, and that leads us to our futures here this morning. Dow futures down 22 points, S&P futures down 1.25. NASDAQ futures down 5.5 points, or 0.07%, 5.50 down. I'm going to call that flat. And here's the deal. Today on a Tuesday, remember what we said earlier in the week, yesterday, coming into this week, it's going to be one of the slowest weeks in the year. And that is because if you're on Wall Street and you're working there, either hedge fund, broker, anything like that, this is the week where you have a built-in day and a half of holiday time. Plus, many people will take off Friday. So it's going to get slow after today for sure, but you're going to start to see that this afternoon. So just a caution, as we look for direction this morning, the markets are not telling us they're either up or down. Sure, the futures are red, but that's very negligible this morning as we get into the day. Okay, as we look around what's happening here, just a lot of good positive news. They're talking about this being the longest economic expansion in history. The president is shining his light on the economy, saying that all is well. And a lot of stuff happening here in the marketplace this morning to grab some of that, or not a lot of stuff to grab that volatility that we need. So OPEC, I guess on the oil front, OPEC agrees to extend the supply cuts to support oil prices. So the oil prices will continue to, I think, remain high or higher than we're at today. As we get into the markets and into today's trading, we'll probably see that across the board. When you look at oil this morning, oil is down about 40 cents. So really 0.68% lower, not a big deal here as we get into the day. Remember two things this morning. Again, three things. Market is directionless this morning, just a bit down to start, but really directionless. So watch out for that so it doesn't come up and bite us. And then secondly, market holiday half day tomorrow, all day on Thursday for the holiday, for the July 4th holiday here in the US of A. Okay, let's say good morning to everybody here in the trading room. And then we will review a couple of stocks that I like this morning, a couple of trades. And then we will get this day started. We'll get Mayor in here. He'll be trading this morning with me. And we're looking forward to hosting each and everybody here in the Tradenet trading room. Okay, Mark S., good morning to you from Mark and Cindy. Good to see you guys here in the room. Sarwat, good morning to you. Kadreen, good morning. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, Sarwat. Looking great. Babak, good morning to you. Delroy, good morning in London, England. Sean, good morning. And good morning, Young Shane. Good morning, Andrew. And good morning, Mentor. And Sharif, good to see you here in the room. Carlos, good morning to you. And good morning, Shally. Good to see you here. Thanawat, good morning to you. And good morning, John. Thank you, Clifton, for the link. There is the link for our celebration sale, our Independence Day sale through the July the 4th. Don B., good morning. Alan, good morning. Francisco, good morning to you. To see you here. Amir G., good morning to you. Buenos dias, Luis. ¿Cómo está? We begin on this end. Morning, Hardev. Caesar, good morning. And Roberto, good morning to you. Namdar, good morning. Thank you so much. Kevin, good morning to you. Matthew, good morning. And Danielle, good morning to you. Marcelo, top of the morning to you. Sikender, good morning. Thane, thank you. No IPOs today. I looked this morning. We don't show anything available this morning for an IPO. Tom Z, good morning. Decabel, good morning to you in Toronto. Good to see you here this morning. And Allie, good morning to you. Hugo, good morning, and good morning to everybody on social media and the rest of you here in the trading room. Well, let's take a look and see what we've got going on here this morning in the marketplace. I do like the Tesla trade here. I'm going to make this announcement. This is going to be a long. Just want to make sure that the market continues or turns a little bit to help Tesla out. But this stock will be long over 229.25. This is going to be a Tesla long 229.25. Just grabbing the whole number on the way up, and we'll take that stock higher here this morning on Tesla this morning. Roku looks a bit in trouble this morning, 88.50 to the downside. This is going to be a short on Roku this morning. This is ROKU, short under 88.50 this morning as we get this day started. And then Amrin this morning, long over 21 this morning. This will be a long. This is on the left side of my screen, as you can see here in the room and on social media here this morning. AMRN long over 21 this morning. Okay, those are my three picks. I've got many more. I was looking at GBX this morning. That looks good. Beyond, definitely under the 152.58. I'm going to bring this down here just in case any of you. Here we go. Any of you want to take a decent short this morning with the market pulling down? This will be under yesterday's close. I'll list this in red, signifying a short here in the room. This is BYND, short under, it's 152.58, 152.58. That's under yesterday's closing price. One of the triggers that I use in trading, I have yesterday's closing price. A lot of fishing and a lot of buyers and sellers around the closing prices of the previous day's close. Also watching Cody this morning, COTY, possibly under $11 this morning. So we've got a good game plan today. The key to today is to make sure that we get some market direction, because at the start of the day, we are going to be flat to down. Again, flat to down bias here this morning as we get the day started. Okay, in the trading room with us this morning, Michael O'Reilly. You heard from Michael yesterday teaching the Forex class after market hours. Here, it just never stops. We've got training and trading most every week here in the Tradenet trading room. Gabe and Clifton, our Tradenet support manager, and Gabe handling all of our platform questions here in the room. If you're new to the room and you need some guidance and you need some questions answered, both of these two gentlemen are here to help. They do a remarkable job each and every day. You've heard me say it before, but it goes without saying that they're a big help to both Mayor and I and the rest of the team here in the room. We appreciate what you do. Corey Keller and Andy Mellis are here. There are two account managers in the room in case you want to get involved in the program here that goes through July the 4th. Okay, so if you want to, click on any one of their names here in the room. They'll be able to help you out, set you up with a new account or improve the account that you have and move up. Luis, Our Spanish analyst is here. Arseny, our Russian analyst, is here. And my good friend Gil Paz. Gil Paz is in the room. Gil handles all of our German trading room each and every day. It's the Deutsche Chat tab here in the room. You can see everybody talking and posting in German here this morning. And Gil does that each and every day, translates the room, posts his own trades, and we appreciate him being here. In the main room today will be myself and Mayor. Mayor will be leading the group today in the open, and he'll take you through the morning session here. I'll be with you all day today. Aren't you feeling fortunate for that? And I'll be guiding you through today. Michael will take the lunch session today. So we break up the room typically in 3 sessions. We've got the morning session, we've got the lunch session, and we have the afternoon session. We'll all be here each and every day guiding you through. That's what one of the benefits of being in the Tradenet trading room. We just don't trade the open. We just don't trade for the first 20 minutes or so. We trade for the full day, walking you through trades, training in the class, in the room, and kind of holding your hand and guiding you through the session today. So looking forward to that and looking forward to trading with you all today. Yeah, I will look at ADP this morning. Here's the ADP trade. I do have this up on my other screen. It looks good. If you look at the daily on ADP, we've kind of crested out here at that 170. We pulled back to 160. Now this break as we go through today would have to, for me, break under the lows, maybe the 158.50 to get involved with ADP, but certainly a stock that's on my radar. It's been posted this morning, one that I'm watching. One of the 12 that I have up here each and every day when I trade the markets here. So now the other question from Amir was DAL. DAL, yep, looks really good here this morning. DAL moved up Delta Airlines and has pulled right back down. So we'll watch that as we get going here this morning. I'll put that up on my other screen here to get moving here. Okay, with that, we are just about a minute away from starting this beautiful day. And I'm looking forward to trading with you guys all day and ladies all day. We've got lots of females here in the room. Really enjoy them to trade with us, do a great job overall trading. And we're thankful to have a little bit of that each and every day. So, all right. Less than a minute, we'll get Mayor in here, and we will be ready to rock and roll today. Everybody, let's have a great trading day today. Looking forward to it. All right. And PLAY, GBX, PLAY. Yep, GBX. Okay. All right, I am set and ready to go. Can watch the futures here this morning as we open up. We're going to open up a little bit down. And but fairly flat, so we got to get some direction as we go. There's Mayor.
Hi, traders.
To you, my friend.
Hey, Scott. You guys.
Good afternoon. All right.
Take the charts.
Mayor, here come the charts to you. Fairly flat, open a little bit down this morning, my friend.
Yeah. Quite rare.
True.
Okay, traders. We do have a few movers today, like GBX and ADP. You can see both of them right here. GBX is down 9.5%. ADP just 3.5%. As usual, looking for movers, big movers. Roku is also down. Could be interesting. This GBX, I'm not sure it's gonna move. ADP seems to be like a more interesting mover. It is moving up a bit. It's also spreading. I have to wait with ADP so it settles down a bit. Let's see.
AMRN pulling back.
115. Okay.
Remember what we said, traders, just a flat to lower opening. We're going to wait for market direction this morning.
Posted the ADP in case it comes down under the lows. GBX is not a mover. Strange. Did I say not moving? Oh boy. Too late. Certainly moved when it moved under the lows, but it's too late now. Roku did not give me a chance. So all I left off is ADP, and it is close. Watch it. Be careful with the size there.
Wow, Tesla, big down move. Beyond. I did not get the Beyond trade. I posted it this morning, traders. I did not get this trade. That's too bad.
What's more, does the same like yesterday.
Yep.
It's very sad it's not moving up first, just a bit, giving us a chance to move in. Very unfriendly.
Have not taken a trade, traders.
I'm going to take Roku short if it comes down under 88.40.
Yeah, Beyond getting crushed now.
And watch ADP.
I'll take this trade with you, Roku.
ADP is holding quite nicely here. Had the chance to move higher, did not. We could have an early entry if it moves under 159.70. WDC also looking interesting. Shorting Roku right here. I'm short Roku.
Also short Roku now. And we'll
under
add under 88 if we break it.
Watch ADP. Getting ready to short ADP. Shorting now. Expecting it to come down under the lows. Was I right? Was I wrong? So far wrong. Oh, come on, ADP.
Come on.
Come on, ADP.
Come on.
Touch the lows. It's a good sign. Come on, come on. Roku is close to the lows. Under the lows. Going.
Added here at 88, traders. Come on. Come on. Oh,
Very courageous of you. There we go.
Beautiful trade. Keep
Did
coming.
not get my partial in Roku. ADP did not break down.
Come on, Roku. Come on. Come on.
61 is the new low in Roku. Also watching GBX, the one that escaped us earlier, possibly under 27.10. I'm gonna post it. Very strange behavior of ADP. Very, very strange behavior. Stock that is holding so long near the lows like that. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm going to lose money?
Come on, Roku. Come on. See you break the low here on Roku.
Goes back to the lows and under. Great. Getting ready for a partial. Should have had it there.
Come on, there it is. I'm taking my partial here. There.
It's back to the lows. I'm waiting a few more seconds, Scott.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Tracking down to 87 now.
Took now.
We break 87.30.
Found some support. I got Roku partial.
I've taken my partial 2 on Roku, traders, after the ad. Very nice trade, Mir. Nice breakdown.
But on the other hand, you've got ADP. Okay, I'll have to close ADP if it moves over 160.50. That is sadly close.
Quarter size left on Roku, traders. Quarter size left.
Watch GBX.
I'm still looking for market direction here.
New entry under 27.15. And ADP is close to my stop again, which is going to be over 160.50. Could survive. Watch GBX, getting more interesting. Okay, GBX new entry is going to be under 27.20. Posted it again. Stop is going to be over 27.50, so we'll be risking 30 cents.
I'm going to take a short on Beyond at 150 here. I'll post it here in the room. BYND. Short under 150.
ADP is looking a bit better. Could definitely add another lows under 159.50. That is, of course, it's going to be nice with me come down there. Market so far moving up. We initially moved down, but we changed direction, moved all the way over the highs. But again, first few minutes, very, very, very hard to anticipate the next move. ADP is looking much, much better. I'm thinking of adding, again, under the 70s. Very small size.
Yes. First partial is going to be a point down on Beyond, BYND.
I'm about to add one small to ADP. expecting the same thing I expected earlier. Of course, I was wrong then. I did, and now I'm right. But I need continuation. Target should be very close to 159. Wow, nice beyond, Scott. Just saw
Yep.
that.
Yep. Great news. Under 149 traders is where I'll cover. Take my first partial, 1 point down.
Guys, I'm about to go long MU over 40. Watch MU over 40. Watch huge mover. ADP is back to the lows and under. Getting ready for a partial soon. MU about to go long. Trying to see if ADP can come down under 159. If not, I have to take my partial somewhere around here. Set my target. I'm not doing a mistake here, waiting. Because 159 is a whole number. Go on, baby. Go on, baby. One more push. One more push. Now, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Did it? Not sure. It moves over 115 now. Took at 15. Don't want to be, taking a risk here in case it moves over the whole number. I still think it's likely to come down, but didn't want to take the chance. Got my partial at the first sign of a pullback at 159.
Traders have taken a partial here on Beyond BYND. Almost a full point on the first 3 quarters of the trade here on BYND. And I am out of Roku, out of all shares of Roku. I'm flat this morning. 2 good trades.
Yeah, so do I. 2 good trades. But I'm still riding Roku because I was occupied with ADP. So I'm going to have my stop in Roku. Actually, no reason to hold for it. Moving out now. I'm out of Roku. Watch GBX getting close. It failed to move higher. Could have a new entry under 27.23 now. I'm sure GBX. Didn't quite get it at 23, got it under. Some volumes coming in, it's a good sign. Took us down 12% earlier, it moved. What about now? What about now? What about now? Can you break down under 27? And then under lows? Wow, beyond, Scott.
Yep. Beautiful move
Nailed
now.
it.
Yep. Almost 2 points now. And let's see if we break the 148 traders. Tesla at the low of the day, too. Where is our market? Our market today. Can't bust out, pulling back down.
Go on, GBT, do something.
Oh, beyond now, under 148 traders. Over 2 points now. Beautiful.
Market is stalling. We moved over the highs, but we're back to middle of the range. I don't see anything interesting right now. No direction, no real direction here. Could add to ADP under 159. It's gonna come under 159. I'm gonna add very small size. Don't know like what the GBX doing here.
Market pulling back down as we speak now. Second red candle.
I'm gonna move out of GBX over 60, over 27.60. This could be a loser. Getting ready to add to ADP. Not much. Small size. Come on, GBX. I'm out of GBX. The loser.
Shamim, take care. Have a great afternoon. Great morning. Still looking traders right now. AMRN not doing much, fairly flat right now. GBX, are you going to break or not here? GBX.
I'm out, Scott. I have a loser in GBX.
Yeah. BPTH is halted. Huh.
We'll be adding to ADP under 159. Expecting it to come under the lows, which is 158.92. Okay, anything you want to take a look at? I do have a few minutes now. BA, let me see. BA looks good for a short. But needs to come down first under the lows, or minimum at least 354. And you know, it's only down 0.6%. I like the daily too, it's nice. Dish. This looks great for a long. How about the volume? Look at daily 2. That's some kind of an intraday news. Okay, over 40, 60. I'm posting this. It's interesting. This looks to me like possibly intraday news. Could be 40, 50 now, over 60 to make sure it's moving up. Okay, I'll take a look at this. RHI. Looks nice, RHI. That is, of course, if it's going to get back up. About to add to ADP. It's getting close to the 159 mark. KO. I'm not sure if it's uptrending or downtrending. I mean, recently it was downtrending. Is it now uptrending? I'm not sure about KO. Yeah, I saw AMRN several times. I thought about posting it earlier at 2050, but now it looks like I missed it. Hold on.
Yeah, watching Dish. Dish doing not much of anything right now. Yeah, no, I wouldn't trust the BPTH trade. Trades on no volume every day. It's something to get stuck in. Check out RVLV. Okay, I will do that. Let me take a look at RVLV. Good volume, moving higher. Probably right now over the high. High candle, 35.49. So 35.50. Rolling, yeah. Looks good. Looks good. As long as the volume keeps up, should be decent. Okay. GBX. Yeah, I mean, I like GBX right here, 27.50 even, but we'll have to, have to wait for the market to confirm this here real quick.
Still following ADP traders. Tesla looks like it's going to come down. Traders, I'm going to take a short in Tesla under 225 small size now. Sorry, I didn't have time to post it.
Nice, breaking under the lows now, Tesla.
I'm posting it now. Let's still join. $1 stop loss. I'll put Tesla up here so you can see. Hate this GBX thing. Are you still riding it, Scott?
No, I'm out of the GBX trade. I got out with you with a loss here, and then now it's fallen down, almost ready to break 27.
$27 mark could be another interesting point here, but
Yeah.
don't know if I should. Stock's down 12%. I was surprised to see it up earlier. Treacherous stock. No, I think I'll stay away. FRSX early. Let me see what's going on there. Ooh, $1.80. Don't touch those. I'm shaking now, Ali. Don't get closer. Too dangerous. COTY just going sideways, and it's not a big mover. No reason to trade it. No reason. Let's see what Roku is doing. Roku is going sideways too. No reason to get involved. We had a great trade in Roku earlier. Direction from now on is unknown. In fact, maybe it's moving higher now. Anything else I should be looking at? VLO. Well, too late with VLO, but beautiful. Several entry points. It's really several entry points. First time I take a look at it right now, but could be traded today nicely. Facebook looks good over the highs. We just touched the new high really. But the market is not yet moving over the highs. I like Facebook daily too. I mean, so Facebook daily, intraday looks good. Gonna watch GBX again. Okay, I take GBX under 27. Stock's down 12%. Daily looks like a car crash, and somehow it's my only loser today. That's a new low. Market keep going sideways with some tendency to move higher now. Watching the buyers and sellers at GBX, and it looks good for a short. Sellers are chasing it down all the time. It's interesting to see that on the level too. GBX close. I'm shorting here at 27. I got it at 27. Lows is 75. Oh, come on, GPX, don't play this game with me once more. Under the lows, please. I was long GBX now, I would definitely sell. Try to put yourself in the position of those who go long GBX, and there's plenty of them because, stock down 12%. A lot of people think that they probably got a great price or it's going to pull back up. And once it gets close to the lows, they bail out. So it should come down under the lows, therefore. New low in Tesla, getting ready for a partial there. Need to see it very close to the 224 mark. Hopefully under, but few cents above would be fine for me. Here comes 224. Bounced. It's okay. It should continue. Go on GBX. Come on, Tesla, one more push.
Yeah, there you go. Come on.
Yeah, you know, WDC is uptrending all day long. I was considering posting it for short earlier. So you're thinking about what, a reversal for the long or short, Sharif? For the short, you know, this is what I was saying earlier, it's uptrending. You're right because it's red for the day. But the market is approaching the highs and WDC is uptrending. On the other hand, you can watch AMU and Qualcomm and see what they're doing. Because if they're coming down, they are, then WDC should come down too. I think you may be right here by watching other related companies. You probably are right, but you know, it still is trending higher, so it could work out. But better join stocks that are trending lower clearly. I mean, look at Tesla. Okay, 224 is there. It's almost at my target. At my target, I'll try and let it move under 224 if I can. If not, I'll have to take my partial somewhere around here. Oh, I don't want to go full pullback now. Watching the market at all times, making sure market doesn't spike over the highs, because that would kill Tesla. Guys, I'm getting a bit concerned here with Tesla. I don't know. May have found some support here. Was it my target, but for a very, very short time. Okay, it's returning
Now watch that
now.
224 here. We may break it. There we go.
Good,
Beautiful.
good. Now, took my partial in Tesla.
Good trade. Very nice.
Finally worked out, but now GBX is throwing
Giving it right back.
Okay, so ADP did not come down and I'm still holding some. First, I should have a stop and that's going to be 160.30. $31 to be exact. Whoa, Tesla, nice move. 1.5 point in Tesla, about to cover some more. Covering now with 100 shares. Market market just returning to the middle of the range. Very, very hard to say where it's going. I'm going to stop Tesla if it comes over 225. And I'll keep riding it as long as I can. Good job, Kova.
Welcome, Alessandro. You're welcome. You take care. Have a great rest of your day.
See you tomorrow, Alessandro. Welcome, Kfir.
Well, Mayor, we have a half day trading tomorrow, and markets closed on Thursday. So I'm assuming, as this week usually goes, we will be real slow on Friday. Starting to already see that mid-morning today. Still good trades, just a bit slower in my opinion as we get into mid-morning here. It's 45 minutes into the day.
So we open tomorrow, right?